To cancel an order on Shopify, follow these steps. First, log into your Shopify admin account and navigate to the Orders page. This page displays all the orders that have been placed on your store, including the order number, customer name, and order status. Find the order you want to cancel and click on it to view the order details page. On this page, you will see all the details of the order, including the products ordered, shipping address, and payment information. At the top right corner of the page, you will see a More Actions drop-down menu. Click on this menu and select Cancel Order. This will take you to a new page where you can confirm that you want to cancel the order. On this page, you will be asked to select a reason for canceling the order and optionally add a note. Choose a reason from the drop-down menu and add a note if necessary. This note will be visible to the customer, so make sure it is clear and concise. Once you have selected a reason and added a note, click the Cancel Order button. This will cancel the order and update the order status to canceled. The customer will also receive an email notification that the order has been canceled. It is essential to note that when you cancel an order, the payment is automatically refunded to the customer. If the order has already been fulfilled, you will need to contact the customer and arrange for the return of the products before canceling the order. Best practices for canceling orders on Shopify include canceling orders as soon as possible to avoid any further processing or shipping. It is also crucial to keep the customer informed throughout the process and provide a clear explanation for the cancellation. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently cancel orders on Shopify and maintain a positive customer experience. Regularly reviewing and managing your orders is vital to ensuring that your store runs smoothly and that your customers are satisfied with their shopping experience.